Hi Kitty fam, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you my full beauty routine the moment I step into my shower, doing my whole skincare routine and move on to my makeup. So basically I'm going to show you everything I do before I head out. So I just got back home from a short Mumbai trip where I was out every day in the heat, humidity and dust, and usually when I'm traveling my skin would become oil factory. I would get severe tanning, my makeup would melt off and my hair would turn crunchy and dirty. But this time my skin did not turn into an oil factory. My makeup lasted whole day and my hair remained soft and zero tanning. So that's how powerful this routine is. It has truly been tested and trusted. So let's begin. I just came out of the shower and this is where my beauty routine actually begins. So currently I'm loving Dove Serum Body Wash followed up by Dove Body Scrub. Now this combo is super effective in cleaning, exfoliating and also adding that beautiful body glow. Then I finish it with Plum Vanilla Caramello Body Lotion. So yummy. Now I will show you the main part of my beauty routine, that is my current morning skincare routine. First step is cleaning my skin, and for that I use the simple refreshing face wash and the Face Shop exfoliating gel. I clean my skin using these two in my shower itself, and this exfoliating gel is like the Wishful Yo Glow enzyme scrub. I use it twice in a week to remove the whiteheads and blackheads around my nose and also to remove the dead skin cells. So once a week I will use this Biodance Real Deep Mask, and on the weekdays I will use these collagen toner pads because it takes only 15 minutes. This is a game-changing additional step that I have added in my skincare routine because it maintains the glow of my skin, and honestly these products from Biodance will unlock a new level of glow for you. So once I'm done cleaning my skin, I always start with Biodance collagen toner pads. They start transparent and turn white as the collagen water is absorbed. I love using them in the morning for a mini facial and an instant glass skin glow. So I use two toners and I will tell you exactly why. So for like extra boost of hydration, because I have combination skin and my cheeks are a little on the dry side, I use the I Am From Rice toner. So it gives me just enough moisture without making my skin feel heavy. You can see this toner added this beautiful glow to my skin without making it sticky. That's why I love it. And since I'm getting older, I never miss my chance to include peptides in my skincare routine. I'm using Cosrx 6 Peptide Skin Booster. It's like Botox in a bottle and it is so lightweight that I can easily layer it with other actives to support my skin and help it age beautifully. It makes my skin super plump and hydrated, but I don't know if you can see it on camera. It smoothens the texture of my skin. So it minimizes the enlarged pores and also takes care of the sebum. Next, I go in with a vitamin C serum, and honestly, this is one of the most important steps in a morning skincare routine because in summers, it helps my skin to glow from within. So I've been using the new Plum Calendula and 10% vitamin C serum, and honestly, it's one of the most lightweight vitamin C serum I've ever tried. It absorbs the moment I apply it on my skin, perfect for hot and humid weather. I also love the button dropper. It makes it super easy to get the right amount. I have a very few vitamin C serums that I actually like, and most vitamin C serums can irritate the skin and feel a bit heavy, but this one I can recommend to even the sensitive skin types because it has calming and barrier loving ingredients like ceramides, calendula, niacinamide. I actually received a sample of it way before it was launched, so I've been using it daily for over a month now. My skin literally glows every time I use it. Plum has formulated this beautifully, perfect for the summertime. For moisturizer, I switched to gel-based moisturizers in the summertime. I have finished the Clinique one. I actually ordered one during the Nykaa Pink summer sale, so it must be arriving. So for now, I'm using the Neutrogena one. They're all super lightweight, hydrating, perfect for hot and humid weather. It just sinks into my skin instantly. Next, for sunscreen, I'm using the Beauty of Jasan newly launched Aqua Fresh SPF 50. I was in Mumbai and wore this sunscreen every single day under my makeup, and let me tell you, I did not feel a hint of heaviness. When I'm traveling, I need my skin to feel super comfortable but most of the sunscreen turn oily and sticky over time. But this one feels super lightweight, like a moisturizer, and I feel zero irritation with 100% protection. And you can see it absorbs into my skin instantly with zero white cast. I went to Mumbai because I was looking for flats, and I was out every day under the sun in the heat, humidity and dust pollution, and this actually protected my skin from tanning. And this is literally my most favorite sunscreen right now. Highly recommend. Now that my skin is prepped, I go in with my foundation that feels like skin. And right now I am loving the Dior Backstage foundation. It's like a skin tint but with actual coverage. So I'm gonna shake it a little bit, and it does not oxidize, which is so rare, and it lasts whole day. Also, it's like my perfect shade, and I use very tiny amount of it because in summers you want your skin to be able to breathe. It looks like my skin, feels like my skin. Total dream foundation. Trust me, you wouldn't regret investing in this one. I know it's a little bit expensive, but totally worth the money. But if you want a drugstore lightweight serum foundation, then go for the L'Oreal newly launched foundation. This is under 1,000 and so good, but I'm keeping it 100% honest. I'm only showing the products that I'm actually personally using myself. But if you want like more affordable versions of the products I'm using, let me know in the comment section. For concealer, I am loving the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. They have two. One is matte and one is hydrating. I love the hydrating one. Key is to use right brushes, and these are from PAC. I will leave them in my description box, and use very tiny amount, you guys, so that your skin can breathe in the summertime. So I'm gonna set my base makeup using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. This makes all the pores disappear, and it actually smoothens the under eye area. You can see the difference. I get a lot of oil around my nose, and when I apply this, it soaks all the oil and sebum. I also have a mini which I keep in my bag to touch ups. Now my favorite part of the makeup is blush, and I actually love using two blushes. One is the liquid, and then I top it off with a matte blush. It actually makes your blush last whole day. So I'm using the Benetint as a liquid blush first, and now I will use the Dior Rosy Glow matte blush over this. It's like pink cherry blossoms spring on my face. Blush makes everything look happier. I love this combo. It makes my face look so fresh and juicy. For eyes, I'm still using the Pillow Talk eyeshadow quad by CT. You can see I've finished this much. I will do my eyes and I will be back, and then I will share my favorite summer lipstick. I'm gonna show you 1 minute eyeliner trick. So you're gonna use any kajal that you have. I'm using the K Beauty one. Just draw one dot like this. Put it right here where you want to draw your winged eyeliner, and then you can just draw over it with the liquid liner. I use the NYX Epic Ink liner. My eyes are done, and for mascara I use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. This is my eye combo. I have a little bit of allergy going on in my eyes, that's why they are a little pink. And I'm gonna set this base makeup with CT Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I'm gonna shake it, and then for summer lips, I'm all about Benetint and Etude House lip tints these days. So today I'm using the Etude House tint in shade Cranberry Plum. It's like liquid lipstick, but the formula is so hydrating and light, super thin. You just apply it and forget about it. So easy and so pretty. Now for my hair care routine, I washed my hair using the Redken Acidic Bonding Shampoo and this Love Beauty and Planet Hair Mask. This combo makes my hair super soft and super shiny. It's so effective. Even during my Mumbai trip, it was so humid. My hair stayed frizz-free and super fresh all day, and even when I came back from my trip, my hair was still feeling so soft, like I just got a blow dry, and it has never happened. Usually my hair turns dirty and crunchy, but this time, even after traveling, my hair stayed the same, which is an achievement. For styling, I keep it very simple. I use my hair straightener and my 300 rupees Amazon rollers. I'm gonna show you how I do that. very quickly, let me bring my hair straightener. I brought my hair straightener. I will show you how I do it. So first I will go in with the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. It protects your hair from heat and sun, plus it also keeps your hair frizz free and smoothens them. Just use 2-3 tiny drops and apply it on your hair. It gives that final smooth and shiny touch to your hair. Even in this crazy heat, humidity, I have no fan AC on right now. My hair is still frizz free, which is crazy. So I'm gonna take tiny sections. Front part, I'm gonna roll this inwards. Secure it with this hairpin which comes with the roller. Ta-da! I am back and this is how my hair looks like, all tucked in, and today I'm gonna leave it for only 10 to 15 minutes just to show you, but usually I leave these rollers in my hair for 30 minutes to 1 hour. So when I come out of my shower, that's when I roll my hair into these rollers, and then I do my skincare routine and my makeup routine, my full beauty routine. And I don't do it every day, I just do it once in a week. When I wash my hair, that's when I style my hair, and it lasts me whole week, even the traveling. For tinted lip balms on the days when I'm not wearing my makeup, I use the Laneige newly launched Glaze Craze tinted lip serums, and I love the donut applicator, so I'm just gonna apply it over my lipstick. These are so moisturizing and there are so many shades. I would recommend for Indian skin tones, go for the deeper darker shades. Even this peach shade is not pigmented enough for my lips. I would recommend the shades like raspberry jam, blueberry jelly, chocolate frosting. I think these will look better on Indian skin tones. It tastes sweet and smells really yummy, and it's also hydrating, but it's not as hydrating as their original lip balm. It's probably because of the pigment, so keep that in mind. Nonetheless, it's a really nice tinted lip balm to try. Love the design, this donut applicator especially. It feels so soft and nice on the lips, like so cushiony. Last but definitely not the least, I always finish with something that smells amazing. Right now I'm loving Sol de Janeiro Crushed Churiosa number 68. It smells like pure happiness, and I wore this during my Mumbai trip and I smelled good whole day. It's a body mist, but it is the most long lasting body mist I've ever tried. For this summer, I highly recommend this. I'm gonna leave the notes for you here because I've already talked about it in details. I'm not gonna bore you, but yeah, you can tell how much I've used it. And if I'm feeling super special, I go in with Chanel Chance in the pink bottle. It smells like spring in Bridgerton. It's so nice. When I was in uni, I always wanted to have this bottle, and finally Chanel is launched in India and it's also available on Nykaa. So this is how I look after my full beauty routine. You definitely have to leave rollers more than just 10 minutes. It doesn't give that much bounce. I just wanted to show you how I style my hair. Usually I would leave them for 30 minutes or 1 hour when I do my makeup, and that's all for my full beauty routine. It's so much more fun to actually do the whole skincare, makeup, instead of just talking about the product. It reminds me of old YouTube days. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye kitty.